Emotions with Billy. Billy is...
Let's go meet the stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet the stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet the stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet main sequence stars, the type of stars that most stars are? Will we meet binary stars, circling each other, how bizarre? Will we meet a neutron star, one that spins called a pulsar? Will we meet a supergiant? I really love science.
I'm a yellow dwarf and I'm your sun. I'm the center of our solar system. I'm a main sequence star, a type that's very common. I'm made of hydrogen that converts to helium.
I'm an orange dwarf star. My name is Tulaman. From the Alpha Centauri triple star system, the closest system to your sun. I'm a binary star with a yellow dwarf, Alpha Centauri A, with red dwarf Proxima Centauri close by. Maybe you'll visit someday.
My name is Travis from the Aquarius constellation. I'm a red dwarf star, cooler and dimmer than your sun. I have at least 7 orbiting planets, 3 that could have life on them, which means you might have neighbors. You would call them aliens.
A brown dwarf star. My name is Day-Day-1 from the Pleiades, clustered in the Taurus constellation. I'm a small ball of gas without enough mass. I failed to ignite, so I'm hard to see at night. Who else is out there?
I'm Arcturus, a red giant star from the Boötes constellation. I've used up my hydrogen core. As I age, I'll expand and shed my outer layers away, leaving a white dwarf star core and a nebula cloud display. A blue-white giant star, Bellatrix is my name. In the Orion constellation, I burn hot with bluish flames. Blue stars burn the hottest and are the brightest in the sky. We use up all our energy quick, and then we say goodbye.
The red supergiant from Orion. I'm Betelgeuse. I'm one of the rarest and largest types of stars in the universe. I'm building pressure and unstable, almost ready to explode. Eventually, I'll supernova and could become a black hole.
I'm a blue-white supergiant. My name is Rigel, the brightest star in Orion, the constellation where I dwell. I'm still a young star with extreme luminosity. One of the hottest and rarest types of stars in the galaxy. Who else is out there? Let's go meet the stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet the stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet the stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet main sequence stars, the type of stars that most stars are? Will we meet binary stars, circling each other, how bizarre? Will we meet a neutron star, one that spins called a pulsar? Will we meet a supergiant? I really love science. I'm the Crab Pulsar, a young spinning neutron star. I'm left over from a supernova of a giant star's collapsed core. You can find me in Taurus. I'm very small, dense, and unique. I rotate 30 times per second, so it looks to you like I blink. I'm a white dwarf star named Procyon b. I'm in the constellation Canis Minor, and I'm a star that's binary. I used to be a large star that used up all its energy, so I shed my outer layers, and all that's left is dense little me.
The binary star. My name is Sirius. I'm the brightest star you see at night, but there's actually 2 of us. Sirius A, a white main sequence star. Sirius B, a white dwarf star. You'll find us in Canis Major, circling around each other.
Bravo, Cassiopeia! I'm the rarest type of star. I'm a yellow hypergiant. The biggest stars by far. I'm very far away, but like 1,000 times brighter than your sun. Although I'm very rare, I'm not the only one. Who else is out there?
Ready out my Jupiter! How much fun?
Star?
Uy is my name, and I'm the largest known star. I'm a red hypergiant, bigger than all the other stars are. I come from the Scutum constellation, very far away, thousands of light years from Earth, near the center of the Milky Way.
Who else is out there? Learning.
I'm having a pizza party, but I don't know how to make one.
Welcome to Inner World Music Kids! Don't forget to subscribe online. Bright enough to see. Let's go meet more stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet more stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet Wolf-Rayet stars living fast and dying hard? Will we meet eclipsing binary stars eclipsing each other? How bizarre. Will we meet a quasi-star, also called a black hole star? Will we meet a hypergiant? I really love science. I'm a white dwarf main sequence star. My name is Altair from the Aquila constellation. Not too far out there. I'm a fast revolving star. It takes only 10 hours for me to rotate, which is why I'm not quite round. I have a flattened out shape.
I'm Zubin Eshmali, the brightest star in Libra. We're Zubin El Ganubian, second brightest. We have cool names, huh? I'm classified as blue white, main sequence star type. But strangely, from Earth, I look green to the human eye.
Vega is my name, a bluish-white main sequence star. I rotate every 12.5 hours, which makes me bulge out far. From the constellation Lyra, I have 2 debris disks around me, an inner disk like your asteroid belt, and an outer one you see.
My name is Pollux, an orange giant from Gemini. My friend Castor and I are the heads of the twins you see in your night sky. I'm the closest giant star to your sun, and I'm extremely bright. I have a planet Thespius. He's more massive than Jupiter, that's right.
Giant. My name is Aldebaran. I'm located out in the Taurus constellation. I'm known as the fiery eye of the bull, the eye of Taurus, the bullseye. I'm the brightest star in Taurus and one of the brightest in your sky.
Denim, a blue-white supergiant from the Cygnus constellation. Altair and Vega and I are also part of another shaped creation. We're easy to find because we're part of the sub. A blue-white supergiant from the Cygnus constellation. Altair. And Vega and I are also part. Shaped creation. We're easy to find because we're part of the Summer Triangle asterism, a few bright stars that form an easily identifiable pattern.
I'm Polaris, or the famous North Star, a yellowish-white supergiant located in Ursa Minor. People on Earth can navigate by me because I'm always north. I'm above Earth's northern axis, so I don't move back and forth.
I'm the Pistol Star from the Sagittarius constellation, a blue hypergiant in the Milky Way's galactic center region. I'm one of the most luminous known stars in the Milky Way galaxy. I get my name from the Pistol Nebula that I illuminate around me.
Who else is out there? Let's go meet more stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet more stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet more stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet Wolf-Rayet stars living fast and dying hard? Will we meet eclipsing binary stars eclipsing each other? How bizarre. Will we meet a quasi-star, also called a black hole star? Will we meet a hypergiant? I really love science.
CVI, red hypergiant in eclipsing binary star. My new white dwarf companion and I orbit around each other. As we pass in front of each other, our brightness decreases. You can watch us eclipse each other in the constellation Cepheus.
A red supergiant, Antares, that's me. The brightest star in the Scorpius constellation, you'll see. I'm a very cool star and my lifespan is coming to a close. Eventually I could supernova, which would be a fantastic show.
R136A1, a Wolf-Rayet star. Extremely massive and luminous types of stars we are. You can see me in the Tarantula Nebula, but I'm very far away. I live in the Large Match 11 Cloud, a dwarf galaxy beyond the Milky Way.
Red hypergiant from Canis Major, why Canis Majoris? I'm surrounded by a nebula cloud made from my already ejected mass. I'm so large that when I am, I'll probably hypernova, which may create an energy blast of up to 100 supernovas.
massive star that's powered known as black hole.
Wanted to see.
I'm a quasi-star, also known as black hole star, an extremely massive star that's powered by a black hole at my core. A normal star is powered by a nuclear fusion core, that's typical, but I'm unique. And for now, I'm only hypothetical.
Well, see. Let's go meet weird stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet weird stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet weird stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet hypervelocity stars on the run, moving fast and far? Will we meet a hybrid star where one star eats another star? Will we meet two merging stars so close that they can't pull apart? Will we meet a traveling star? Will we meet two merging stars so close that they can't pull apart? Will we meet a traveling red giant? I really love science.
MY Camelopardalis, a binary star, orbiting so close, beginning a stellar collision with each other. Two blue main sequence stars starting to share an atmosphere. Very soon will merge into one supergiant sphere.
A hybrid star, star inside a star, is that even possible? Some astronomers say it is and think that's what we are. Called a TZO object, a neutron star inside a supergiant, I'm HB11417 and I'm a TZO candidate.
I'm Myra, a red giant with an orbiting white dwarf star. The gas that I shed forms a protoplanetary disk around my partner, moving fast and leaving a gas trail called stellar wind behind me. It looks like I have a tail. I'm a true shooting star, you see.
I'm the Cannonball Pulsar, runaway hypervelocity star. In the time it takes to say my full name, I'll have traveled really far. The core of a supernova star whose explosions sent me hurtling through the galaxy, one of the fastest moving pulsars. I'll keep running until someone catches me.
Well, see out there.
Stellar Burst IPTF14HLS! The bright light after a supernova should be fading out unless I'm a zombie star back from the dead and may have exploded twice already. I'll start to dim, and then I'm right again. I'll diminish when I'm ready.
The lopsided main sequence star, HD74423. I have a red dwarf companion that's so close it's pulling on me. Less than 2 days to orbit each other, I'm distorted by its gravity, which makes me egg-shaped and causes pulsations on one side of me.
SAO 206462, a galaxy? No, I'm a star, but it's a little hard to tell because I have reaching spiral arms. They expand beyond me more than twice the distance that Pluto would be, where new planets are being born. My own solar system to keep me company.
Completely dark, no more energy to burn, a dark mass in the cosmos. I'm a black dwarf star, and if I exist, nobody knows. I'm all that's left when a white dwarf cools and burns out completely. Astronomers haven't found proof I exist yet, but I make no light, so I'm hard to see.
Well, see out there. Let's go meet weird stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet weird stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet weird stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a diamond star with an enormous diamond at its core? Will we meet a magnetar, a zombie-like magnetic star? Will we meet a vampire star sucking energy from its neighbor? Will we meet an exploding wolf-ray giant? I really love science.
XTEJ 1810-197, a strange star. I'm a neutron star that astronomers like to call a magnetar. Dead or alive or maybe a zombie, I have a very strong magnetic field, around a quadrillion times stronger than what the Earth can yield.
I'm a peculiar binary star known as SS Laborus, also known as a vampire star, because we transfer hydrogen between us. My smaller, hotter star is sucking energy from the larger red giant star. This energy transfer keeps it looking brighter and younger.
I'm Lucy, named after a famous Beatles song, they say. I'm incredibly dense and cool for a star, which causes me to vibrate. Not just a dim white dwarf star, astronomers discovered my secret within. I have a crystallized carbon core, or a heart made of diamonds.
I'm Apex, the binary star, the verge of an extreme supernova, the most super hot bright pulled by A stars with 1,000 die hard. Our jetted outer layers are creating a snake-shaped nebula around me. When we supernova, we'll release a gamma burst, the most powerful type of energy.
Well, sis out there. We've only scratched the surface. There are billions of stars, you see, but now we've met a few and understand their diversity. Let's keep on exploring our wondrous universe. Keep discovering new stars. Which star will you meet first?